I was in dispatch office. I was looking for a tool or a way um, to be able to organize my trucks better. I was moving 45 some odd trucks around the basin. The other dispatchers were moving an equal amount, and we were losing control of what was going on. It was hard to find locations, so we were looking at Google Earth as a pinning software to get to our trucks in better without having to remember where they were at, plus trying to look for a way to organize it versus pen and paper. Our IT department from there came in and sat down, and then a year later, voila, Spira landed in our laps, and we started moving forward from there. It's made it more transparent. It's easier for us to see on a management level um, what you're doing day to day, what you're doing over time. It's easier to pull history, so instead of going through boxes of paper to back up whether you're being audited by DOT or for compliance issues or by the customer, it's right there at your fingertips. All you got to do is run a report and it pulls everything you want to be able to come out. It keeps track of our jobs, so instead of having it written down on a post-it note or a scrap of paper or in a notebook, now it's stored, and you can see whether or not it's been pushed out. So it keeps us, it keeps things more regular over time, right? There's not these gaps of lost work, so it's made us more efficient. Kind of handpicked a group of 10 drivers to start off with, and let them run the beta. From there, we pushed it out to the entire group, and it was really pretty easy, seamless. We had a lot of roll-up time to allow training to happen, lead time before we actually went live. I think we built in about a month worth of training and lead in, which whenever we actually flipped the switch, nobody ever knew that we flipped the switch and went over to the live side, just because they were already accustomed to using it as testing and moving that way. So for us, it was a very easy rollout, especially with as many moving pieces and parts we had. We're constantly asking for tweaks or modifications, or can we do this, can we do that? And we get a straight answer. It's one of those, either a yes, we can do it, or no, we can't do it. But if it's a no, let's figure out a way to get it done. Here's a temporary fix until we can get it implemented towards a full fix. So it's not, it hasn't been where we've been on an island. If there's something that needs to be fixed, if there's something that needs adjusted, we have direct support on a daily basis. And it's been an easy transition. Some of our other business lines have been harder to transition into, but really, the easy part of it has been the buy-in from management down to driver. As long as everybody's bought into moving over to tech and away from pen and paper, which is a scary thing for the oil and gas industry. It's been a very easy, seamless transition. It's just getting the buy-in from up on top all the way down to the lowest person that this is what's going to happen, and then it goes very easy.